How to install CapCut on iPhone. Let's go, guys. I'm going to show you. The first step is for you to access the store, the App Store. Look for this icon here. Click on it when you find it. By clicking, the store will open. Now you'll click down here where the magnifying glass is. And now type the name of the app you want to install up here. Download and install, which in this case is CapCut. So you type it. I'll type it here. I typed it and the option already appears below. Guys, you can click on that option. I'll click here to search and that's it. The CapCut app will appear. In this case, since I've downloaded it before, it's showing reinstall, okay? But the option to get it will appear here. Click the word that appears next to it. I'll click. The app will be downloaded and it will be installed. In this case, it's already installing. Open will appear. In your case, you'll double press the power button. Press it quickly for you to install the app if it's your first time. After it's installed, open will appear. You'll click to open. The app will open. It's very simple and fast. Terms and privacy will appear here. They ask here if I want to receive notifications. I don't, so I'll click here to not allow. Here you have to agree to CapCut's terms of service, so you click here to agree. And here you start by choosing the type of content you want to create. You choose, I'll click tutorials and education. They ask what you're going to use CapCut for, whether it's to create videos with templates, edit videos, anyway. In this case, I want to do video editing, so I'll click this option, click your option, and click to start, and that's it. App downloaded successfully. That's how you install CapCut on iPhone. It's simple and fast. I hope I helped. If I did, don't forget, help me too. Subscribe to the channel.